so long. I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed.
Hello family, welcome back to our channel. To the new subscribers, welcome to this channel. We love adventures and we hope that you're going to enjoy the ride with us. So today we are visiting the famous Kiel town. It's famous for musicals and it has spectacular views, as you're going to see in this video. So I hope you enjoy as much as I did enjoy Kiel, guys. Let's get straight into it.
For so long I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else.
So we arrived in Kiel, guys, and I couldn't help but notice this beautiful cruise ship and take videos. And we then went to a shop and bought a brand new camera. So you see why I love this city so much.
To see where this is going, I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles. But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
To think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits. glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out, even after all of these years. You still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why.